Welcome to Phil's Honest Reviews.
Hi everyone, Phil here from Phil's Honest Reviews. Hope you're all keeping well. I've been asked a few times, I've mentioned it a few times. We're going to talk about the DWV9000-XJ Universal Adapter, the DeWalt one. This little fella. It's really useful for obviously connecting to the select tools that require dust extraction. So an example is this little sander. It goes on and then there's a little lock. You just twist lock it on. The great thing about it is as you're using the tool, this can stay in position, so you're not twisting your dust pipe, your extractor pipe or anything like that. Let's pop that back off there. Mine, you've probably heard me mention a few times, I literally just took the end off my Henry Hoover, and this goes on, and it's a reverse thread, but that obviously just depends on the type of hose that you have on your dust extractor. Just be careful. When I originally bought this, I had what DeWalt called their dust extractor. It was one with a strap that you can put over your shoulder. Looked great on paper, was absolutely rubbish. In fact, I've sold mine on eBay. It's that rubbish. They sold me this adapter, being able to connect to it. It wouldn't connect to it. I had to use the stepped adapter to fit in the back, and it just constantly fell off. The other advantage of this is once you've got it connected, you can still put your Henry Hoover nozzles inside without any issues. It's inexpensive. I find it's great on the belt sander. It works well on my orbital sander. The one I find it's not brilliant on for dust extraction is on the circular saw. Whether it's the rate that the saw is cutting through and pulling dust out, I don't know. I had to do a few doors in a customer's conservatory. Well, I was carrying out the work in their conservatory because it was peeing it down with rain outside. Whilst it still collected a lot and it filled the bag up doing the doors, there was still a lot of dust in that conservatory, so there was a bit of time collecting and extracting dust myself manually after I'd finished. Now whether that's down to the Henry not being powerful enough or if that's just a general thing, I don't know. Obviously I've got nothing to compare it with. As I said before, I'll tell you how I use something, what I bought it for and how effective it was for me. I'll put a link to these. I got mine from Amazon. I've actually ended up with a couple because I misplaced mine at one point, so I do actually have a spare. But they're inexpensive, so if you lost one, it's not a major loss. And if you've got more than one dust extractor method, then obviously you can double those up. So that said, it was just a quick update. Again, link will be in the comments for the universal adapter. I might even put a little piece on my website, so again that'll have the links and a couple of more detailed photos. Okay, hope you're all keeping well. Please remember to follow, support us, like, comment, everything, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much.